Welcome back to Zapit. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to secure your Zapit wallet. Zapit is a convenient and feature-rich wallet for multiple cryptocurrencies, but security should always be your top priority. So, let's jump right in and learn some ways to keep your crypto safe. Zapit offers built-in security features to enhance your wallet protection. Let's explore how. First, open the main screen of the app and head to the Settings option. Then click on Security. In the App Locks section, you can either choose fingerprint or PIN code, depending on how you wish to unlock your wallet. If you enable fingerprint, it will ask you to enter your Face ID or your fingerprint every time you unlock the app. Or if you choose to unlock your app with a PIN code, you can set up a 6-digit PIN code and the app will ask you for this code every time you will unlock it. Also, you can enable the payment authentication option on the same page. This will help you to perform crypto transactions in a more secure way. So let's understand this with an example. Let's say you're doing a transaction of Bitcoin Cash on Zapit with your friend. Once you enter their details and proceed to send the BCH tokens, you will be asked to authenticate your payment. Zapit will ask you to enter your fingerprint or PIN code, whatever you have enabled in the security settings. This gives you a chance to review and confirm any outgoing transactions. Remember, never share your private keys with anyone. If any unauthorized party gets access to your wallet, there are high chances you can lose your funds. For more such information by Zapit, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social handles linked below in the description.